Why you want more? Any last week?
Month of
August, no. Month Kessia.
Yeah.
At the month, Yanimo, for over there, no. Intino. I need that. Am I in Jano Pay say, say, Miniminia, Pate. New way, sir. There were fashion from August a woman to August 17th, right? Ending August. Yeah. In the Usubi, 2 weeks. Before Bafila.
Last week.
Oh, okay. Ningo. Fashion like a Ningo.
Okay. And you know, I no pay so who's a Yeniagia. A fashion man, young cry for you. Now, was a in Chakasia. Yeah.
Emma Yahin for young fetish priest or more various traditional areas, you know. Paying for more monte munina no pay minimum boom chio munina say the bompire say Greater Accra senior titi ye ball a crew no ebenyi the muswa efe change senior CTA na ye bompire say nkwada ewom mrantie mabawa penyimfo enyina ne yeda ye ni so no yakopon emfa afahye emfa nhyiraye na Greater Accra enye kra behwe ntikakra me wo anope.
Okay, right. Honorable Theophilus Tetechai and yete ne nka no ni ma memra usre
na me senior akasa no the tell said the dika ye bichia ye tifo nyina woni a woni nya so a ene woni a woni ehwe ye for Facebook bansa na beka bibi kakra fa ya fashion no my wofase ba ko nhira opuku jan our mama din ne Josephine Hagan, popularly called affordable ewo committee 1 side 19 kwakwadwa Avo Michiao, mebano, me man belated happy birthday. Nyami adumo china, me fourth born. Emmanuel ni kwatela, intu ubaya mami.
Maya.
Emmanuel ni kwatela itatis loba. O JHS3, ewo map school. Onoso namuda. Odiwia na Saturday na meso medibidia 28. Na the senior kaya no. August is the month of the Gadangmes, of our revered festivals. We shall say a nungwafo ne dikan enedi nungwadia na first week of August na da edi asafotufia. Then Lantejawe we shall gamashi ankasa Lantejawe bidi. After Lantejawe after the other clans no so edidi afaso 2 weeks ago temafo di yedie no that was I think on the 14th of August and everything went so well na multimedia particularly Adum FM ha ne yeba pa ha ne asempa any Adum TV ne yeba we share other network they are promoting a festival. Unfortunately mudie o say ye just we ko anka maye ko ye nemo na nampa na ye nemo wo muti asase so a very good business amu yeska na mu dedicate at least some few minutes of the hours the promote omo maya anka hwin say and the media we the fam the amount because kwasi chum aye muchi ayi founder of multimedia o mami e dangbani woni mami ka kire ni mami every ningo ye de no ye de kire no enti ye besrem edu Augusta And now you look around the calendar of all tribes. Eduhwa, namumbo modia namumbo. If I saying, we will need to promote, the culture. Nia ya wano ebimunibi. Bankrafo gandangbo yedi unique. Yedi homo, yedi plejo, yedi asafutufia. The mayim in the crow area. Yamaya busafo any yahimfo, any yawulome, any ubia afishapa. Afise zena ya dasoni ya tiase.
Yeah.
The nyumna ubono akukos senke emichiwa.
What a
holomi. Cholo.
And I befa so HIA MPs more.
And Tio, we need to support our regional minister for leading the crusade and the fight to sanitize Greater Accra.
Very well.
Now we share my brother honorable in the quoting. And son of status are journey. Greater Accra must work. Or shall from members of parliament, or share both sides.
Yeah.
I did not bring any vision now. President Diamond so on family Juman.
So I believe now he has all of them on board.
Everybody
will be our support.
Yeah. Or two suffering predecessors. Ishmael Ashite, Afote Agbo, Honorable Mike Gizo, Honorable Joshua Alabi. Wow, any near match day. When we are decam for one did him, Sabia Konya no Tesson, one betis or Matazoda, and their dream ending Sabi Yansan Media Bo, and Fantality. Or we are no swa na or crying for Nunzu, a Homakumako, send a yena, ye best get Takra, a maniati, and a shrub bush. A what wine last week, Tio, a Black Centra. Who be see ya mamu, I think 13 or 14 acres of the land nibi. I be see 111 nibi ewo because Kolebu e choked obia ko Kolebu. Wohu na ye nyabi wa Black Centra ewo bibia ye claim agbobo asase no so e yade aye so wonderful. Wo hwe Medina traffic wo sorry na wo come mountains wo do Medina Zango Joshua obi to be come back. And the sanitation e yade na da na koma so. Or the event saying samansamen Eddie Eba. Afe we share MPs ni biom and the Greater Accra members of the Council of State no atram say every assembly 29 there work Greater Accra no operation clean your frontage obi wo sori na fie ni na poto the gym office o poto na ye nyina ne yemboa ye nchichi Greater Accra because you see ablekuma ablekuma ni ya howo ye de agi awowo afa ye ba ni abaye nyina basa and you see yeboa no na agenda na o ye dem president for call the name no ya tie da na se ye bona baso so
all right Richoko, good morning in essay competition we and ye de bro channel so say wo upper primary wo junior high and wo senior high we akwanya eda ho edema ye tro essay na afewanya akwanya to receive 10,000 cedis cash and another 10,000 cedis in educational materials at the Amawu schools ahodo na fe all four runners up and also in each category no subenya cash prizes. Now essay no topic in the write an essay addressing the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effects of illegal mining on gold farms, stating the importance of cocoa in to Ghanaians. Mame Fani Biu also write an essay addressing the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effect of illegal mining on cocoa farms, stating the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. So your essay should be in your own handwriting and endorsed by your parents, guardians, or class teacher. And now what the 10 empty packs of Richoko 20 grams, and now 1 empty pack of 500 grams, and now 1 empty pack of 1 kg. Now what the account essay no. Now what the account Accra Central Post Office, Adenta Post Office, Achimota Post Office, Malcolm Outlets. I war Accra Central, Adabraka Malcolm Plus, North Industrial Area, Dansoman, Spintex, Madina, Tema, Ashaiman, Achimota Kisaman, Islegona Beka Wager, Ashoman, Frahana Fea Fiena, Ente Shannon. Wait me so aposti and our mail lady call the Richoko National Essay Competition, PO Box AF851, Adenta Accra. Shannon say closing date for submission of entries near 30th September 2021. Wait me I call Richoko, Cadbury Richoko Facebook page and our Instagram page for more details. No Shannon so Amaye engine oil papa edigu the new Shell Helix
HX7 ebwapa ntiene fa Shell Helix HX7 engine oil no bi fagu okamu na embo engine engine no ho elbana car ntimi fa woni akwaniaba. This next generation of Shell Helix engine oil also meets all the latest OEM and APIS and plus specifications into Shannon. So Shell go well. Yeah, ni how you so Robert and Sons and the right eye service. Babwama when you know it to me, Eddie Jumason, Eddie Amamad. Almost say so was spectacles frame and also sunglasses were in good conditions. Bombarding say Odebeba na Yedi Akobwa Fufra or also so here be Shannon. So change the life of the less fortunate by donating it at any Robert and Sons optical branch in Accra and Kumasi na wamabeda wasepa ebeboa na obifu from so enya eso emfa so with me afre 050-191-9111 for more information. Robert and Sons Optical Services, seeing is believing. And then come on no you know this weekend I'm say I take the most gory to me near esiwo abisim Abrantia 28 years Richard Jemfia Pia. What the area 5-bedroom house you send papa kura dia and wabetre fie ho na nkofo kura han dan bi ho weto mu nyina afri fie ho. He's a nice young man area ho bia kesa anya de bone kura be susu no neighbors ne baako maame no oto aduane akwara no to say Brian Richard into a Brian Richard a chikofie. Oh, kwado wan so Richard ho o se Brian Richard fie ho adiasa abofra no amba fie o mo frɛ Richard yi oh meja no kwa ma na amba fie de daada ene won mai abo be 10 11 okay ene na Richard be ka ho na ye nyina ye konkɔ hwɛ abofra no mo nyina mo to mo hugum kɔ hwɛ abofra no a wo mo ehu no enti say yekoye police yekoye complain or police station enti ebam na ntani bi adwenem say na yenko ba bi a fie no won na yenko hwehwe e bia na 5-bedroom enti bia na wada one of the bedrooms e bia enti womne nam fie na chi na mte say fridge bi e so one of the bedrooms enti wom fefe ho a bi luvet no e de phone torchlight e hwem hwɛ ye no na abofra ba ko abu abofra no abu eda from moja free na no ba am raise alarm ko fa police for by ebe bu dan no ani on bu dan no ani no fridge no a esu no brant na ba ko en se won biem obi e fridge no mu a nipa ne yakunu a sebe ya twitwa de ahye freezer ho
CJ mesai echia etiefo na hwefo nyina biom na asem ya semwa ya mami mebusafo no yako any abesim sunyane man nyina yako but clearly uti asem we a menim say Richard no na dwum bibi ye no because why no be sorry no pa obehwe ni nipa nim na wekunu ese nipa ne yemiensa ana meboa
yeah
nipa miensa a wogi omunkwa e de free one sam and wotwitwa omo. I mean no person in his right mind can do such a gory, wicked, cruel acts. Say wotwitwa nim to say nintwinam ana kokonam na woda
ko
see no person in his right mind and the person am be can with GTV be fa show no so and no be na mini what you for and for e kan wasem police for investigation and homicide unit for na IGPC no mbebua na nyemve they should find out is a guy going through any psychiatric problem. I mean what is happening already ABSC English man from constituency close to Kaswa a young boy now teenagers no ko ye free sa ya wona any penny bushafo no wo menka mo ya wo de ayekunu ya now wusu 29 years 28 now wo sorry a adwe wo wutrim ze wo beku nipa etwetwa wo. I mean there is something wrong somewhere. Now investigations so are here they should go behind the curtain ne wan hwɛ sɛ why no ni ono one network aso oye way any microphobia na what has motivated him to do such a thing? We need to find out. The police must help us. Ne hu sɛ aso oye ritual made the beer ye tunton nipa parts and all kinds of. We need to find out.
Say police furniture so oma nipa baako aka no ho but oma mbodi but our sources say ebe ne papa abrante no ne papa or businessman and police for no and Sakano. We are yet to get the confirmation from the police.
Obibia police for Sakano or investigation.
Yeah.
On the IGP so call Honor in a pump for no corner so or two Eddie macro mafon so be information beer on moment and on board.
Yeah.
We need to assist the police because the police Juma ever conkai ever quenim akosudia maya is based on intelligence information gathering and never to media boy because un sorry no pa na unti nyama bi sei ekokoso adia na ehiba na yekoye ni mu na wo ka bibia about road accidents. I think it's too it's the boom.
Yeah.
Then we'll look at.
But I think we should finish with one.
We'll finish with one.
Yeah, we are enough. We are going all the way to 10:30.
Okay.
Yeah. Now and also Embrem Kakatiti.
Yo me da se mefa akonya so achia Ghana fo nyina ene omo a anopai omo wo medjuma omo wo trotro mo a omo tie ye ni esi no ade bi a enya wanwa wo hwe crime ewo mai mu a enim sisa in kind TV no those type of crimes they associate some neighboring countries our mobile say no yani omu nyina che sa crimes no pepepe ewo mai mu ano kire say crimes eni no asisa ewo mai mu sanso na wo say the police for security agencies are omo hwe say the security of the nation no ebe ye pay no so no omo so ombe sisansenia omo si eye omunyama na before me ba eye no so ankasa no ebe bo IGP acting IGP abaso
yeah
so we take personal interest ewo case we mo this is not the first time ye hu say ye kunkum amanfo na utahwe documentaries bi na nyama esisi ewo western countries na obo say crime ya de bi a any a particular formula and you need a security service any da honomo and so betumi unearth some of these crimes uhwe niesi sisia no ayarewiye pa say obi a muni no wo mu area muni no very close munsusu nyama boni say e de be ma nipa no na akoba ne say enipa yi na edi sa nsemu yi eno kire say as citizens we need to be very careful, especially your personal security. On say titi no your gidie ewo community ni mu enti no se mabna APA majwa meja me ba no ama wo na we ja no na okọ
obi kwafuom crowd me de na ba ko ja obi na okwafuom oba obefa ne mba na do mkofie
because you trust here ho na me kai say ekwasi bi a me free won indan na e wo ho no mu no your friends ayi ni ano gates ni ano ye ho no mu kokro so a dabi but ade a your friend kro no pa ade opua ebi nsi wo ho no mu it tells you community no omo traditions the way omo protect ya enhance their way of living but say no antisa adamfo a wo gidie ewo no nimu no ono kra na obeden obedi ubone enti no
ye du pempenso bi a e wo say ye nyina ye hwe ehun so yie especially andafofo a ye ni omo kọ ye ni omo eba nansan nkofo betumi akọ party omeba no na akodane owo because obi edi edro
ego bi nsem ana mama
and these are very close friends and asade kosopa enti your security services no omo ejuma ye especially gathering intelligence on serial killers especially ritual murders ni sa nyama ekoso omo pesikantem brantie ni maba webi no omo aba omo fi se jisa omo hwe nipa emoja ansa ni omo hwehwe wo wiase mu no
titi ma me bisa asemi how do we balance having time say ye njambre amayemma ene afei say ye gi afoforo di say Junior or call Madam Freeway there. Junior is safe because my busy kakra I want shop her and to see Junior on call Madam Freeway now. How do we are all parents? How do we balance the two? Because which is our story? The parents of Abofrano Freemono, Omoje Richard Didi. Oh, Yanen
exactly.
Yanen Richard no so nya dia wode sabon no be den. Ebe susu no.
Exactly.
How do we?
Yeah, and America say
the balance.
Se ye du pempensu bi a titi no se na ye maame no mu ene ye papa no mu omo ye no sanyama ne nyina asesa enti no the new mindset ni say obi a wo ben no se udi ugide nyina ebe ma nipa no e ya de bi e wo se ye nyina ye hwe hu yi especially se udi nkwada ebe hye obi nsem ana wo hwe schools na schools ni bi say o provide security measures ama school kwada nyina akwada be school for hu say akwada no school no mu edu time obe pie free school no mu a opia school ni num say akwada no we pie nti these are modern things as a people no e was say yehu se na esibe ya ye betumi ye manum a ye gya omu no ye benya self protection no e dia ma omu even schools bi mpu no nkwada na ye dia omu akọ for protection no that is where nkwada no they are abused nti ubon say na nse say schools ni bebre omu di security cameras share classrooms ni nyama ni nyina to enhance protection for the child what you see and no so na e was say yen awofo no se hu say ye du ba bia wo say ye nyamre e ma ye manum na ye ni omo yen kiro mo at least issues of security say bia wo pie kota ade ma me no bi frɛ say ni say sanya wo akra no e was say wo ye wo hu these are things we need to start educating the young ones a son say wo hwɛ sa ritual murders ni nyama na ekoso no most of the targets no nkwada ani ma in fact wo hwɛ over the period
nkora ma
enti no ye du bepenso bi a wo se ye nyina yenya ahweye especially wo pie omo a mo pɛ lift mrantie ni mamba wo mo pɛ lift wo gina kwan ho wo se wo call carnation wo pɛ carnation car enso se private car twem na wo gina no sanyama ni nyina no sese no e de risk bre mrantie ni mamba wa nti obi anya hwehun yi
okay
it's a very serious thing
my person question na me bisa wo na striking the balance between ye nyambre ama ye ba na fe ye trust say we there ye no one at area ha we kura there you know kura ni tibi call TV on the other crowd to man kura ni bi ni ade honorable Titus Glover ye ni there na how do we strike the balance between these two Odaruma?
CJ, it's a very difficult and dicey situation. Essence, senior kan ye no. Say, you see, your community, I grew up in Community 1, on your woman. Now, we share site 10 in my neighborhood, even to the extent of site 5 and not site 7. And growing up, no, we share Busiano Moa, neighbors in a war around, no. Say, Bibi, a cot chima, but friendly, ya, Bibi crying as in any crano, that to me discipline them on behalf of the parents. But then Tessa, who got this will be by one chana, I go before. Yeah. And the neighborhood, no, it was young, and Nibia, yet share. Or basically, someone neighborhood we need to find out. Because Nippon Yanis and ye, a brantier now, Richard, no. What be sim hobby be a era honor, sign not here. Obiaka a very good boy. Wouldn't be who they see me more, and my dear, at me bad. And a very, very difficult situation. Yeah, and even I will for no Johnny Banaman and say, on an Nante, why I find is at the Babo Fra, or Nantos Masmano, or the corner. It is very difficult to go into the mind of a person. A bad thing. And to act yes. A cat is one of come myself. Was but and see was what who is there 7 independent to be hano. Yeah. And internet make coffee and a pay say. So who help more share for all you know, maybe this will have some or Konya maybe more. Yan just is a police investigation or a conclusion in my and so be war or high more. But what dear wouldn't you be and any share? When you first say, what tongue will yaria? No, and I would not withdraw. And it's a war challenge, war difficulty. That's a woman for beyond soon. Now would I show one? A cool how? And never for so I could be and fatter answer I could see the AC. And the Obeni, the mechanic is there. Yes, soon trusted the Bakakra. Yes, soon trusted the Bakakra. Says, yeah, my parents in you're so anxious. So anxious about my welfare. Schools be what who can find the background and say you are not the original person who can find Ghana. You find the mouth. And Madam for your schools be brave what must say. And Madam for Penimbi or senior medical superintendent for Sunyani. Ninyamba 10 days ni ofifi or my. I'm already know family now is so much disturbed. Into a comma and few weekend some information by near Brante why no. I said yeah. I said I said yeah. Just a no friend me papa penny pass will soon chile me CJ wame. Na because na yeah nkwala bi ani mpenyifo ni bi epie ko bibia. Omo let your Mrs. Ebi no, my wife in the baby amico. The baby in the amico. And you do baby your friend design then a cause honor. You the check who could you then the call you won't design Bibia Kama or see Annie. Now you to me fresh you who name she said, dear Necoso. Because it ja. And the Kaka Yedi Rebecca, and the Association and say, Yenya pa. Is say, your name near Winnie Petrim. Your name dear Winnie Petrimwa, Emma, a Jumaya, Amani, Akoya ding at Yamaye. And the Messram will be Biara, who information beer, from my police phono, name Bois. And by the time we shall not be what today. Ah, no, shall be. And for the offer, I would Kunipa. Na, would you try the name to send in Enginam? Education free, what do you day? CJ, what do you think? And a nipper would team, and then we are bottom for French and also news on no money. Look, I can say that the gentleman is going through some mental torture. Come on, because no right person in his right mind. Ebe Kunipa, Ediasha Frijim, Edda for 3-4 days. Hey, Paddy Chesa.
Now, CJ, you see, mental health. Idea be I was a yenyina yehwe especially on mine no like minyane sen osika no enipa daseni adwena esi yeso no sabi enye ni nyina na ye pepepe but say your institutions no so your life a ebeboa ana uhwe nkabontin various areas ubon say sabi abodanfo bibiri egugu abontin na sa abodanfo yo mugugu abontin no bibiri enye se
so omunya ayaresa ombetumi lead omo normal life what you say but sa care no eni honomu and I say your institutions na e wo honomu no omunya nia wo say ombenya di aboa your mental health issues e wo memu nti ye hwe the crime aspect of society no ye hwe yankasa ye nipa da se nenu so no mental health issues dien ena e was asoman ye nyina ye they make mental health a priority because an hwani sana oni unya nam abonti o neso na adwen no enye papa adwen no asai atochi but won nti na obo say abrantia na ababawa oni ni kunu anani ni yire bibi kitu ebi na obi afatuo abo the other person
me lecture be asema na talk can say there's a very thin line between the sane and the insane. Exactly. And anyone can cross at any given time.
Exactly. Nti na wo hwe western world na omo fa mental health issues in the agro because it is very difficult like you said no it's a very thin line.
Yeah.
Nti bo hu nipa wa dress it but adwen no
ni obeye no wo kra ho bedwuru se
exactly and we have a lot to do as a nation especially on mental health.
All right, but I say Adomano 6.3 FM 4 minutes after 10 channel so nundu mpem penede competition e dia bana we emphasize that Pan African Savings and Loans na fe Puma drinks a whole new vibe Madaroma and Masoya sene over the weekend. I think we've seen enough accident see 2 accidents near Siwa Apeja section of the Accra Kumasi Highway. Nipa wamo efrim 9 on the spot. And no cry say 6-month-old baby a home. And then you see keep crying so and also 10 19 in a day. Titi.
Yeah, CJ. Accidents on our roads. Several factors. Nyama bebre boom and the money yehu ewo ekwantin pon so no yehu Ghana hanumu no ya major highways no ensheda endorse we share Eastern Corridor share Western Corridor any near far middle belt no echo upper regions now these are road networks are down move from TTET. But as a nation, you know, we've not been able to prioritize dualization of those road networks. Most of the accidents now is, you know, head-on collision. Head-on collision, they say, ba obisu ba from the opposite end. Now they are baby boom.
In fact, you see what Pejay say, you say sprinter bus, out free Kumasi urban crime. And now overtaking and all this share daft Burkina Faso for AEB and also
exactly it's head-on collision. Exactly it's because of the nature of our road networks. Per my experience with roads and transport the engineers are they are one of the best engineers that we have, but who say Omaino yen prioritize nyamebi say pese ye nyamebi no more. We don't actually take the pain and then do it once and for all. Nti nyama was say ye na di protect especially mo call long journeys no asomai no yentumi enye. Nti all the time no some type of road crashes no ye benya Usha from Aflau, Adiba, and Cry. Road network, no, as you say. Generalize the road network, no. What you say?
Yeah.
And these are long journey road networks. Driver for no so you catch Rob. So look, as a driver, the highest a year will be to me best 4 hours.
after 4 hours no e we say o park na we den o tinitini wo na mu uji wa humi kakra bi na utu ageni no so but these are nyama bia it is very difficult to monitor what you see in fact institutions are minimum say or more means of checking those things ebi say STC they are very good at it what you see
yeah
and in comforti STC bus more sometimes some complaints and they say the speeder was the driver no kono on konisa or my chair or kwano so but it's for your safety
yeah
what you say because look the speed no car no your machine anything can happen to the machine anytime you least expect to say sadia no ebe happen that's why I say consistently no who ye servicing of the vehicle but accidents be to me AC but your speed limit can save a lot of lives sa Kumasi road no so no me ma faso severally in fact who ye MP na sa road network who you see on several occasions then you've never been a member of parliament
yeah
now sometimes we share the speed buses any some of the small vehicles omudi twemuna especially when person you overtaking they don't care the number of vehicles that are before you and are behind you because some of the accidents overtaking if your cars be say 4 and am kwan so no be fear chire 5 cars or per se oyi omu nyina at a stretch and unam sa road network ni so a unhu sa nyama no all the time
yeah
what you say unhu sa nyama no all the time but you see sometimes it's even difficult say why na wo ka catch ni say vehicle way this is indiscipline or creative
why na report am no
exactly
yeah
enti no ade no koso na creative say road networks dualizer under that type of head-on collision
yeah
it will be very difficult at as here and then also a very reduce fatality on our road networks but sometimes motorway is dualized
yeah and so
then so accidents what be say now abani say into the issue of the maintenance of our vehicles and also account
yeah
we share your transport network or memu and system or memu no it is nothing to write home about because yes the private sector has filled void now and what say a buying a feeling because we share the road sector now it is the private sector that has virtually taken over transportation in the country. Urban transportation is nothing to write home about because young creative systems road networks are a bit to me I enhance that type of system and that's the foundation weak but idea one say old cities and your challenges are the new cities what are we doing as a nation that is here to make sure say you provide these systems are a bit to me standing the test of time and I was say your transport ministry almost kwanswa you be far a bit to me sometimes it needs drastic decisions as our decisions will be even inimical and I say the or how kesiye ebeba okay tama you decided say from Insawam Ediba Accra Central
that BRT system and I collapse resources are here invested here our side no has become waste because you to me take it that bold decision you to me take it that bold decision transport sector need here is one area.
Well, former Deputy Minister of Transport,
very difficult.
CJ,
ni
and pay your sorry and tias
at all.
Met me a casse a brain army what transport ministry. Now, the Jumano Muyo. Tio, your drivers no masu edio. Accident DC, it's a purely recklessness on the part of the driver. Purely recklessness. Unnecessary overtaking. Ngoya, where are you going? Adia bakwa na mi woho a road safety, yeah education, yeah advocacy. Me bakanishi market. One of the Easter celebration. Easter festivities. Yes, Minister Swami, we have been launching a road safety, drive safety. Kanishi market.
Yeah.
Station. Ain't for no more. Overtaking wo coin. Yes, it's a coin on ya. Now driver for no some complain na a day be fix.
Oh yeah, coin no so yeah.
Now a man just say I don't know how to describe it. Kwanin ya no more kems and abandoning your way and as you fix it kwanu se sia one accident be pass. And the baby say yeah kwanin man ye na yanye man ye. But I mind the challenge is there and would you to say where they will fix it yamawo. But a driver for no I almost and no point say on my say unnecessary overtaking, unnecessary overspeeding, any drink driving at the adiano. It's better. It was a nipper now who found no if you the driver you don't value your life. What are that of your passengers? Nipper or a pim for a thing.
A pim for yeah.
What for deal?
Yeah.
Na me can we here. See, it was a transport unions, they must show leadership. The GPRTUs, the cooperatives, the Protoa, they must show leadership on their members. What are some of the pep talks? What are some of the level of discussion they have any members? You baby cry senior because say union for the crown ever transport terminal no crown you be load mo dey crown ja emma see members no crown you to load if any saying executives no double na ba ko dey me was sales so etwen ka won etwen sales and the bia na ye prepare na ye yan na dey unnecessary pressure on the drivers and you be sre GPR unions no say e was say who say accident na ba no asodie ni wi no da omoso road safety authority ministry of transport ya family e be ya ko ba wo na fidie no ekita wonsam wo free ayi nsawam e de wani e kire so ngwan so a cars be ya overtaking
in fact the impunity with which some of these drivers they overtaking honorable
on the road.
Me say
4, 5, 6, 7 cars.
Cars 5 cars. Or some that line.
Now we say
popular bus terminal. Be what Accra Hanmo. Omo bus back ye mi bi won. Na apeja kwa no so a na overtaking about 6 vehicles. A pass o. And no pa mi lane so. Look. Quickly I have to park. Because send us Ibano, there's no way out. Oh, and these are bus terminals are almost all drivers, momu and cherepa. Why should you overtake 2 or 3 vehicles? Any idea what's that way?
CJ.
Look, the best way to overtake is when you have a single vehicle in front of you. Exactly. But who nam kwano so a who shall overtaking ni bi obi sound say who call him. And you see passengers yes sometimes we are at fault. Obi wo hon mo koka e wo bus no mu a.
You be not them.
Or more others no omunya be didi.
Yeah. Me kai say your call parliamentary meeting na senior me bano between Dawa to Chopoli. Trotro be overtaking me kita Land Cruiser. So reckless. And to me dinachi breo and I'm here in na me pan ho. And to me do Chopoli. Tobutuno. And I'm report to my police for no. Say two by Trotro now o mechi. What drive me beer. Na passengers to bo. And I'm report to my home. Na me catch omunche no. And to be see free me card and then me catch a police for say this and this and this and this. No, yeah. Quickly, police and catchers don't pull over. We see passes in uniform. And how many war. They are senior canon a bisiwa. And was he encouraging passengers no more board a vehicle
to speak out.
Say a trotro, say long basso. Would do police checkpoint a bombardier ne casa. Ne catch a police for no. Police for some one so. Miss from MPT for no omo yade ba wo batema anopaw ewiawo anajuo enso to MPT for no agina so sometimes I empathize with these police guys, these MTT guys. Omo do barriers especially those on the long journeys. Police for no omo furu buses no one be passengers say so mo ba the driver ni driving it say and you be one as so be kasa obi bi na no wakasa. The police IGP mpacho hye won krofo no sa anwode ni bi NTD the commander ma won krofo no mo kwan no so no especially on the highways obu stop wo mo a bisa passengers and say driver no dem ba no say no driving or driving pepe and no driving biara na police for no emma strong warning me gidi pa yes ade na eno so be boy
to not to cut
yeah I know
and that DNA is and that day on Saturday day is so we hear some of the sound bite passengers in Libya said your mutumi survive here.
Yeah,
it was the same issue. They saw what the driver was doing. So the driver and the speed with which the driver was moving. And sometimes ubi someone say didn't cry infant cry na yeko. Infant cry na yeko.
Accident back on nipa 10 at the spot. Nipa 10.
Driver will be.
Yeah. I say head on.
Say Osumok Pongono ayo prutu. Osumok Pongono ayo prutu. Any baby we to be kakono. Una wako shiro by. Ube jawichi. What say bibia? Why?
I think I like the side of this whole conversation now. I say young passengers.
Yeah.
We should speak up.
Yeah.
We should speak up.
Yeah.
Kasa because obi cry we feel say we fi kuma say be hwa de won kan aba
exactly be hwe we gu sesi
and the road safety there omo ye my family there Ministry of Transport your family there but so the responsibility is in the hands of the drivers. Obi ba doctor nurse what a professional what kunu kwa abofra ye be wuni wudi de obeye dachi ogbele keke. Drivers, people say mapa, and sometimes when the police are dealing with them, please let us go to their rescue. Every must we a ding in Krahia. Trotro is no far. Trotro driver be bono about park in the middle of the road. No, on park Olodi.
Exactly.
In the middle of Ojina, no Olodi.
Exactly.
And then Theo wouldn't have motor when this one tricycles.
Yeah.
The way they are obstructing drivers on the motorway. But I'm happy the regional minister is coming up with something. Under the Road Safety Regulations Act, I think 21 say an assembly is not able to pass bylaws. Now, the 29 assemblies, MMDCs, you cannot drive on the highways. Not tricycle, no, I go for bola. No different crime. or the free Amasaman, all the way to Bo on the motorway, tricycles. And when we
have driving Anna, there's one issue so I was a road markings. And also very important.
Yeah.
I say nyama yedibema akwano so.
Yeah. Street lights, road markings.
Exactly.
You know, signs, road signs.
Some of the areas, you know, and also create a very big challenge. Sometimes, you know, maybe a curve mu there should be a sign. Now, sometimes, you know, roads and highways for no omo ya sign nyama ni nyina o. But you won't confuse wa almost omo harvest sanyama no road signs no almost how much no mako harvest
alimi
and you know society nankasa no you don't even understand adwena sabi sometimes you know yede nyama but state institutions na yede sanyama na show musemu no momo abemumbu it is their job it is a road signs ni honu mu a omo make sure say so road signs you know ombeye because sometimes you know say cars are parky on the main highways and open me share be on Facebook one of the filling stations that were Kumasi highway no so car kesia parky on the left bakunso parky on the right afie nipa ni be pia ohun the other side ohwa anu muso a ohun the other side obedema obetumi epie free sa highway ni so you know we need to look at road signs and also it's very very important now yeah road terminals now say transport unions you know ejuma ni there omo ejuma ye because one say private sector no most of the vehicles now you use you know are not vehicles travel long distances at that speed Into me, tama me share kwadasu ko school nyama. I don't allow vehicles or apply short distances to take school children to long distances. That is here. Because a vehicle are be a movie Accra let's say Matayeko maybe a Matayeko Kaneshi ko fast high vehicle now so do ko yie or Volta regional obako to actually because car no yen condition car no
for long distances. Yeah.
And I dey back on person TFO omo hwe yie pa. And nothing na wo hwe yie accidents I see ewe yie no. Mostly wo be hwe no the vehicles na money ni timu no are not vehicles
town running vehicles
exactly
La Paz Circle
exactly
Medina 37
the accidents papa
well my main number say na yan fam come to no see her a couple of your WhatsApp Facebook comments. Rock, I say you are doing a great job. Keep it up. Happy birthday in advance to my lovely sister. I know they are the I don't know. God's way, Gagnon. I say great show. Thank you very much. We also say a country of 64 years of independence. You still use a single lanes on your intercity roads. Shame on the so-called politicians. And also they are or they buy. No. And we should say Okran Abeka Emmanuel. CJ, please. The fact is, the accidents on our roads are illiteracy and foolishness on the part of some drivers. Honestly, they are or they buy. No. Okay. I say if you don't fix the roads, all of us will die of it. Note, vehicles of today have synthetic bodies. General Azimo, or also they are, or they buy no. And then for my number, na yes, sir, honorable.
Yeah. Son, I'm calling me brother Kumabako. Alaji, it was side 2. The bucket to our belly. Now, unfortunately, what can't you go?
Oh,
Abofrano. Yedum kania ewo area ho nti oni ni nua no mo edi agro wo dem no opie no na ensushi aye nua awabonti wo no na koto mu na pofra no chese ya me ko sra no ewo na bita e chire no fe no ko tema general nti tema general no na refer eno ono call Kolibu nti papa ni frame so muko do na simpa quickly and I may contact Dr. Koboy and I arrangement here public man. That was last week, I think Thursday. And I pay I'm sorry, you know. Mami Fakonya was in my Busiano, Alaji, the Dagomba chief, and the Busan for Yako. Free her, may 1 or 2 Namakofi, mini Busan for no. Okay. So rest in peace.